Snack time now, baby. So, we got these things. We know what they are. Come on now. Got the different style this time. I don't see a difference in between this one and the green bag. So, I got some hot wings here. Well, they're gonna be hot in a minute. Got some rice coming. So let me throw some of these. I just pulled these out of the oven. So we need about 10 of them. Got all these for $12. Got them today. I need something to eat. And I thought, hey, I'll pick away at junk shit all day. Some carrots. Well, that's that. So we're going Mexican style. This stuff's tasty. President's choice. $2.50. Go get yourself some. In the microwave at that. Stuff's brilliant. So I'm gonna put some of this here. Just like this. Ooh. And she does got, there's some bites you get a little kick to her. So there's some of that. What we're gonna do is give ourselves a hard-boiled egg. It's actually pickled. Oh shit. There's a little bit more on those than I wanted. So that's about what I need. It's 12 o'clock almost. The font fight's on right now. So we're going into the main event. Who do we got? We got Pereira. And we got Burns. That's who we got. So if you want to watch somebody on YouTube, go watch Mexican Martial Arts. His name's Jesse. Friggin' awesome, dude. I may have put too much stuff in there, but anyways. Where did I put those thongs? This is just a little barbecue sauce. Here, I'll show you what I put in there. Just so you know. Don't get all upset going, oh man, he's hiding his recipes from us. I should write a book, eh? Ooh, man. Smell that. I put some Caribbean sauce on there. I can smell it. So, this is our snack. There we go. What do you think? UFC 287 snack. The bacon strip for my dog. He's supposed to be watching the house tonight. Yeah. Thanks for watching.